Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you step by step how to properly set up Graphify on your machine and connect it seamlessly with OpenCode so you can finally integrate a persistent memory layer into your workflow. Now as a quick recap, Graphify is our fully self-hosted persistent memory layer. I have already made a full breakdown video on what it is and how it saves your AI from burning through tokens. So if you haven't seen that yet, I highly recommend watching it first to get a clear concept. Alright, let's proceed with the setup. Looking at the requirements here, we need a minimum of Python 3.10 and a package manager called UV. The doc shows how to do it on Mac using Homebrew, and there are instructions for Ubuntu as well. But for this tutorial, I'll be proceeding on Windows. So let's copy this winged command. Open up the terminal, paste it in, and get this running. As you can see, it's quickly downloading the packages. Once it finishes, you will see a message that our path environment variable was modified. This just means we need to restart ourselves for it to work. Let's close this window. Open up a fresh terminal and run UV version to verify. As you can see, it outputs version UV 0.11.15, which means we are fully set up and good to go. Next, let's copy the UV tool install Graphify command. Remember, the absolute best part about UV is that even if you don't have Python installed on your machine, it will automatically fetch and sandbox the exact version of Python we need in the background. As it runs, you will see it grabbing all the necessary packages like NumPy and DataSketch. Now if you look closely, you might see a warning saying that a specific local bin folder is not on our path. It just means Windows doesn't know where UV is saving our tools yet. It actually gives us the exact command to fix it right here. We are just going to type UV tool update cell and hit enter. You can see it's updated. Now we just need to close this terminal and open a fresh one so the changes take effect and we are ready to install Graphify. While you can run a standard Graphify install, we want to wire this up specifically for our fully self-hosted AI development environment. So we are going to use the platform command Graphify install platform OpenCode. Run that, and as you can see, the skill is installed and the plugin is perfectly registered in our opencode.json file. I have got this simple Express Node.js server that we set up earlier. Now let's navigate into our project. We will just run opencode to launch our terminal. Because we already have our free model connected, we are ready to go. Making sure you are in build mode. Then just type /graphify dot and hit enter. You can see it immediately goes to work generating a to-do list. These are the essential steps of Graphify. First, ensuring it's installed. Then detecting the files in our corpus. and finally extracting the relationships to build a graph. We will just let this run until it successfully completes. And we are done. It successfully generated a new Graphify out folder right inside our project. Inside we have three massive upgrades. Our graph.json file, which is the actual persistent memory layer our AI will read to keep token costs down, an audit report, and an interactive graph.html file. Check out the terminal output. It even identifies our God nodes right here, proving the AI already understands that Express and our app logic are the absolute core of this project. Let's take a look at what it actually built. When we open the graph.html file in our browser, we get this interactive map of our AI's brain. The big blue cluster is our package.json and package metadata. Over here in orange, it completely isolated our Express server logic inside server.js. This is the game changer for token efficiency. Instead of the AI brute forcing its way through every single file and wasting your context window, it now has a map. Back in the editor, you can see the raw graph.json file where it maps the nodes like our test scripts, and graph report.md, which confirms it successfully extracted exactly 16 nodes and 14 edges with 0 tokens wasted on input and output during the extraction. Let's test it out. I am going to switch over to plan mode and ask how is our Express server setup. Watch how fast it answers. Notice how it didn't do a brute force scan of the entire folder. It checked our graph memory layer and pulled exactly what it needed. Look at this response. It gives us the exact details, pulling a highly specific context instantly. It mapped the dependency from our package.json straight into our server.js file without doing a massive read of the folder. We get perfect accuracy, save our context window, and stop wasting tokens. If you look at our token count down here, we started at 54.6k and only went up to 56.5k. This entire detailed architecture breakdown cost us barely 2000 tokens. However, this is such a small project. Doing a standard file scan without Graphify wouldn't cost that much more anyway. To see the true power of this, we need a massive code base. Let's navigate over to my full stack e-commerce app built with the Mon stack. First, let's run OpenCode without Graphify. I will simply ask it to explain the add to cart flow. Watch the terminal. Because it doesn't have a map, it is brute force scanning through all the files in our project. Finally, it gives us the explanation. It correctly identifies the product detail page where the user clicks the button. The auth checks the front-end API call. and the backend saves the card data in the database. You can see it took 20.7 tokens to figure that out. Now let's set up Graphify in this massive project. I will simply run /Graphify space dot. Because this is a large full stack application, we just need to wait a little bit for it to map everything out. Once it finishes generating the files, let's open graph.html. Look at the sheer size of this node map. You can easily spot complex React components like our details layout.jsx connected all the way through to our package.json dependencies. I won't go too deep into the JSON reports right now, but the map is fully established. Alright, our current session is sitting at 75.4k tokens. Let's see exactly how much Graphify saves us. I will ask the exact same prompt, explain the add to cart flow. What's the thinking process this time? Instead of scanning files from scratch, it instantly queries the graph. It provides a highly detailed explanation, tracing the exact path from the authentication check all the way to the card being stored in the user model. And you can see that it did all of this in just 24 seconds. Normally a full stack file scan would take well over a minute, and the tokens, we went from 75.4k to 81.2k. That is barely 6k tokens compared to the 20k we burned earlier. We dramatically minimized our context usage while speeding up the response. And this is exactly how you set up Graphify inside OpenCode. In this video, we successfully built the ultimate persistent memory layer, giving you a lightning fast, fully self-hosted AI development environment that scales with your large projects. Thank you guys for watching this video.